Good afternoon, everybody. I hope all of you are fine at your home, doing good. Now, it is the time to do the question answers of your chapter first from your supplementary reader book, A Tale of Two Birds. Question number first: how did the two baby birds get separated? How they separated from each other? Because they lived with each other under the tree. So how did they become separated? Now, one day there was a big storm and the wind blew down many trees, okay, including tall tree in which the birds lived. When the big storm came into the forest, the wind blew down many trees. The wind destroyed many trees, and in which the tree was also there, in which the birds lived. So the storm destroyed the tree and their branches, so that's why the bird killed, and the baby birds get separated. One go to the other side of the forest and one to other. That's why this is how both of them separated. What did the first bird say to the stranger? Stranger means king. The first bird cried out to the stranger to hurry up, to come quick, like he not behaved properly. The first bird not behaved properly. He was it said, come and take away his jewels and his horse. He behaved like a robber. His voice seems like a robber's voice, thief's voice. Okay, what did the second bird say to him? Him here means king. The second bird welcomed the stranger in a gentle voice to the ashram and requested him to go inside and rest. He behaved properly. The second bird behaved properly and told him to take rest like a good person, like a very polite person, gentle person. He behaved very like a gentleman. Okay, second bird. Now, how did the Rishi explain the different ways in which the two birds behave? What was the reason behind the different behavior? Now, Rishi explained to the king. So, what was the reason? The reason was that one is known by the company one keeps. जैसे माहौल में जो रहता है उसका बिहेवियर भी वैसा ही हो जाता है. ओके, दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर phrase or proverb. One is known by the company one keeps. So the first bird has always heard the talk of robbers. That is why he imitates them and talks about robbing people. The other birds repeats what he always heard from the rishis, and in rishi ashram always all of them behaved properly. All of them were polite and gentle. That is why he also behaved like a gentleman. Okay, that was the reason behind the different behavior. Because of different company they behave different. Okay, so your question answers completed. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.